friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review chocolate that is from Cadbury, and this is the Cadbury Choclairs Gold. So we all have eaten the Cadbury eclairs for ages right now, and that is one of the best small toffees available in the market. And then like a few years back, Cadbury came out with the Cadbury Choclairs, and this is the Cadbury Choclairs Gold, which is here from Cadbury, which has more chocolatey filling inside. So today we are going to review the Cadbury Choclairs Gold. This is a family pack available of the Cadbury Choclairs Gold. And let's look at the packaging. It comes packaged in a nice pouch. The purple Cadbury color, the original Cadbury color, which is purple. Right here we can see the Cadbury branding right on top. Then the Choclairs Gold branding right here, and the illustration of the Choclairs is here, which is a toffee with a chocolatey center in it. And per 16.5 grams serve of the Choclairs gives you 74 kcals of energy, and that is the information about it. And here's the illustration of the Choclairs again. Moving on to the back of the pack, they have shown that it is a 100% vegetarian product with a 100% vegetarian symbol here. Then they have given the ingredients here. Well, let's look at the ingredients. Are liquid glucose, sugar, hydrogenated vegetable fat, milk solid edible vegetable oil, which is rice bran oil, palmolene oil, palm kernel oil, cocoa solids, emulsifiers, stabilizers, and edible salt, and cocoa butter. Contains added flavors, natural, nature identical, and artificial caramel, vanilla, and chocolate flavoring substances. Allergen information contains milk sulfites. There's choking warning, not for children below 4 years. So make sure you do not give to a toddler who is below 4 years. The shelf life of the Cadbury Choclairs Gold is 9 months from packaging. And the MRP of this family pack, which contains 25 units of the Cadbury Choclairs, is ₹50, which comes up to ₹2 per Choclair. Right? If you go to buy it individually, it still comes at ₹2. So this is a family pack here, so that you can buy them together. And the net weight, coming to the net weight of the product, the net weight of the product is 137.5 grams. And it contains 25 units of the chocolate. So let's go ahead and unbox and wrap this product, and here we go. And here are the Choclairs inside, so we can see the Choclairs here. So here are the Choclairs. So I have taken out one. There are a total of 25 inside. I've taken out one. Now comparing it to the Choclairs back when it was launched a few years back, the Choclairs, the size of the toffee was quite big, and now you can see that the Choclair size of the Choclair has reduced, and it has gone back to the original Cadbury chocolate eclairs, which was available earlier, to the same size of that. So coming inside, looking at the packaging of the product, it comes wrapped like a toffee here. It has a Cadbury Choclairs Gold branding all over it on all the sides. And now you can see this is a purple and golden color wrapper, and it has a pure vegetarian symbol here. And inside the wrapper there's again a butter paper wrapper here on the Choclair. So we have removed the main wrapper, and now there's a paper wrapper again inside. And here is the Choclair. You can see the Choclair here. So this is the Cadbury Choclair, covered in caramel and sugar toffee here. It's a toffee here. And let's go ahead and break the toffee and see the inside of the toffee. What is that? So here we are just going to quickly pull it, and here comes, when you press the Choclair, we can see the chocolatey center cream coming out. So that is the chocolatey center cream that's there in the Choclair. Now it's time, let's go ahead and do a taste test of the Choclair. So we saw that the outer covering is a toffee, inside is the chocolatey cream of the eclair. And right now this is the time for a taste test, so I'm going to do a taste test. So I'm just going to keep this Choclair aside and take another Choclair and do a taste test. So here's another chocolate, and we are going to do a taste test of the Cadbury Chocolate Gold. This is Cadbury Chocolate, and here's the taste test. Nice and sweet caramel flavor on the outside. And when you bite into it, you get a burst of the chocolatey creme from inside coming out. That's amazing. But like I said, the chocolates available earlier when they had just launched were much bigger, had more chocolatey filling inside compared to the Choclairs Gold which is available today. Today the Choclairs Gold and the Cadbury Eclairs seems to be the same right now, because I don't see a difference in it. So from the time it was launched till now, it has become like it has shifted into become the Cadbury Chocolate Eclairs from the Choclairs Gold, which was launched earlier by Cadbury. Very little cream again, what I felt here. More of it is chocolate toffee on it, the caramel toffee. Very little chocolate cream in it. So guys, overall I just found the chocolates to be disappointed right now. From what I remember having a chocolate when it was launched, it had a lot of chocolate cream inside it, and even the size was much bigger than what it is right now. So that time it looked like it was worth ₹2, but today this ₹2 chocolate is as good as a ₹1 eclair which was available earlier. Because there's no chocolate cream, not much chocolate cream in it. It's just a normal chocolate eclair toffee. So I'm not satisfied with the Cadbury Chocolates Gold, the quality of it. So I'm definitely giving it only a 3 out of 5. But for the chocolates, when it was launched, it was definitely a 5 on 5 for the amazing product back then. And I still remember the taste of that chocolate when it was launched from Cadbury. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And if you all have tried the Choclairs, do let me know in the comment section below.